Senator Padilla first.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Just in a similar vein to Senator Coons' remarks, I want to also begin by thanking the sponsors of the bill for bringing the much-needed attention to a critical issue at the intersection of speech and privacy. Also informed by California law, as California and other states have already passed laws at the state level on this topic, I want to ensure that we're incorporating the lessons that have been learned by these various state models into our deliberations. Now, it's my understanding that as currently drafted, there's some amendments that may potentially address this today, potential offenders must only have knowledge of a lack of consent when sharing a person's intimate image. But there's no requirement that the person receiving the image and subsequently sharing it have any requisite intent to cause emotional distress or suffering. Now, I know this is a complicated issue, but I want to make sure that we don't unintentionally subject individuals to criminal charges due to the lack of an intent requirement. For example, right, instead of talking legalese, let's point out some examples to shed light on some of the complications and tensions here. It's possible that we can be creating a gap in accountability for people who send unsolicited sexual photos of themselves while creating a hard and fast punitive consequence for those who receive the images and subsequently share the image. So here's the real world example. I'm sensitive to people who receive unsolicited photos and want to share that they're receiving a disturbing text, for example, with a therapist or trusted confidant. The bill as drafted would appear to criminalize this conduct. So if the bill were to move forward today, I would certainly hope to continue to working with you and the sponsors of the bill as this, if this were to move to the floor. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator.